You know what's great? Pizzas in the morning, cold pizzas.
Yes.
And you know what's even better than that? Cold butter chicken. And yeah, in the morning, cold butter chicken, cold kali dal. यार तभी तो means इतने पैसे नहीं थे तो we used to be over here in Bandra. I used to take it to this juice center. Camps was like a major like a hangout over there. Oberoi Hotel के बाहर there used to be those carts on the road. They used to sell pani puri and bhel and all that. So I was like, that's what I used to. Not too many fine dine places that time. I don't know how she felt about it. Eventually, she ended up marrying me. So मैंने कभी diet पे ध्यान नहीं दिया for the first couple of years of my career क्योंकि तभी there was not a thing. SRK's thing of six-pack abs, and that
I was
became a
coming to
sticking
that.
point with the publicity of a lot of actors that everyone wanted six-pack abs, right? जब आप एक scene कर रहे हैं where you've had a very stressful day on shoot because जो character आप play कर रहे हैं, जो scenes है they're highly emotional. Maybe there's a lot of rage in the scene.
Yeah.
मैं वापस घर पे लेके गया हूँ वो. In my staple diet, there's no sugar. Because sugar is a poison.
In yet another episode of Brunch with Bubble today, we have a guest. If I have to give you a hint, would be somebody known as the serial killer of Bollywood. But hey, do you know what's in his plate and what are the meals he digs into? Let's find out.
Siempre he sido una persona que vale la pena.
I think this brunch with Bollywood Bubble is probably going to stay with me for a long time because it's having one of your, can I say, childhood icons sitting next to you and sharing a meal with them. Because when you have Imran Hashmi on the table, I'm allowed to blush a little, so it's fine. I'll go with it. Welcome.
Thank you. You made me feel so old by saying that right now.
That's why I
But
said,
okay,
like, can I
fine, yeah.
secretly say this?
Whenever someone says that, I'm like, okay, I just realize I go back with the number of years I've been in this industry. It's
23?
yeah, roughly. I mean, if you count with being an assistant director, maybe around 25. But as an actor, 22, 23.
Then I think I can
yeah.
say that.
Yeah, you can say that.
You
yes,
can.
yes.
The childhood
But it's
crush
just a
is
shock.
different.
I can't get used to it. You know, because guys, somewhere in our heads, we get stuck at a certain age of 25 in our head.
In
Although
your
I've
head,
become
what are you?
45 right now, but I'm still stuck somewhere in my late teens or 25.
Are you?
Yeah.
You don't look a day older.
You
than
ask any guy.
25.
I don't think any 45-year-old guy thinks he's 45. In his head, he's somewhere lingering in the probably 20s or early 30s. It's, yeah,
So that's how it goes for you.
it goes for me too.
Lovely. I think on the camera it's still 35 for me, so it's fine. I'll deal with it. I'm like, yes, it'll go with it. Imran, what's your relationship with food? How you see food?
How do I see food? Like we discussed before this, when the camera wasn't rolling, I have the most insipid, the most boring diet. I don't vary it in my diet much. It's the same meals every day. Probably, and you know, I the only time I vary it probably is I tend to go for a cheat meal once in a while, maybe like once a week, or if I'm working, it becomes even lesser than that. But it's the same thing every day: lunch, dinner, breakfast if I am having it, or I skip my breakfast sometimes. So yeah, it's only 2 meals. Yeah.
So if I have to ask for the fan's sake out there, because there's a fan also sitting right now, what exactly maybe a day in a life of Imran Hashmi's food diary looks like? Tell me.
So all the food is weighed, right? Everything is weighed.
Okay.
So every time it's just basically the basic thing. Protein, chicken, grilled chicken or fish, more chicken these days, and vegetables, stir-fried vegetables, and yeah, just kind of a little bit of seasoning on the vegetables, and yeah, and yogurt. That's the same staple thing. The chicken is weighed, certain number of grams. The veggies are weighed. Yeah. And that's the same thing. I have the same thing for lunch. I have the same thing for dinner.
Don't you get
Yeah.
bored?
I've gone beyond bored right now. It's sometimes I just gotta wash the chicken down with water because it gets so monotonous, and sometimes you're not even hungry because you see the same thing on the plate, and you just wash the salad or the chicken down with the morsel, and you're chewing, and you can't get by. You can't swallow it, so you have water.
I just can't imagine. That's too tough for me to even begin
No, but
with.
actually, there are perks to it also. I mean, you feel really good, and I know that because when I end up eating a lot of stuff and stuff that's oily and fried, you just don't feel good.
It does
through the
happen.
day. It's just your mental game, and just this physically, you just feel a lot more you're better, more optimum when you're eating a clean diet. But yeah, forget about the taste. Yeah, taste is out of the window.
The Punjabi in me is screaming.
Oh God, yeah. That the Punjabi food, rich Indian food. I don't know the last time I ate it. Yeah, I don't know the last time I
I
ate
think
it.
the next time I'm going to make sure I get some घर का cooked एक से बढ़िया Punjabi meal for Imran. I'm like, please cheat, please.
I think I'll have one bite and that's it. I'll probably faint right in front of you.
Not a fancy sight, but still, we will make peace with it.
Si me fui porque no tengo que rendirte cuentas. Siempre he sido libre de hacer todo lo que quiera.
So you'll be happy eating this.
You have to dig into it also. I've already had my breakfast, so I'll have a little bit, but you gotta have it
I'll
also.
join you.
I know the sight, the look in your eyes. You don't want to go anywhere near that, but yeah, that's
You're talking
that's
to somebody.
me. That's me 24/7, 7 days a week.
We're lassi wale bacche yaar. What are you doing in front of me? My mother will be
Lassi is good.
horrified.
Lassi is healthy. I have that once in a while.
Mama,
Yeah.
please, I'm approved
Yeah,
for once.
yeah.
What's your fondest childhood food memory? Were you a picky eater?
Yeah, I ate everything when I was a kid. My staple diet in school was not the most healthy. I used to have a lot of Maggi noodles. That was a thing. That was a thing in the 80s.
Yes.
So that was something I used to always carry in my dabba, and I used to always tell my mom to have it. And you have that little seasoning, that
Seasoning
little
with powder.
I think that became a thing in my school. Everyone got addicted to that powder because everyone used to get it, and we used to end up having it plain because it was, I don't know, it was so chatpata and so like, I don't know.
बहुत बढ़िया
Yeah,
taste
yeah,
है,
yeah. I don't know if they still give that with the Maggi noodle. I've not had it for the longest time.
Yeah, they
but-
do, but yeah, now we normally people do just cook it एक ही बारी में, but if you put it अलग से
Oh,
ऊपर,
it's fantastic. Oh, it's
yum.
another thrill in itself. When's the last time you had Maggi noodles?
Let's not talk
Yesterday.
about No,
By the
not
look of it, yeah.
not yesterday, but yes, almost a week.
Okay. All right.
So Maggi is only when you have nothing else to cook now. So,
That's true. It's the fastest thing to make. Yeah.
and the fastest thing to get
Yeah,
fat also.
yeah.
I'll not go there.
It's high carb.
It's
It
high
is
carb.
high carb. Yeah.
So is there anything particular you dislike while eating? Because कुछ सब्जियां होती हैं जो बचपन में कुछ भी मम्मी कर ले, you are not
I generally
going to
don't like salads. So that's like having medicine. I don't like salads. I don't mind having any kind of cooked vegetables and stuff. But salads are something that I have to force myself. Like बचपन में मम्मी कहती थी कि ये खा लो, salad खा लो. It's very, but that's the same mentality I have right now as a kid. Like I'm like a 10-year-old who doesn't want to eat the salad. लेकिन वो पड़ा है वहाँ पे, तो I have to have it because I know it's ultimately it's good for you.
So, if there is ever like a time in your life, do you remember like the first time you took your wife out for this like a fancy dinner date kind of thing?
Yeah.
What was it? Was it a meal or was it what?
यार तभी तो means इतने पैसे नहीं थे, तो I think we used to be over here in Bandra. I used to take it to this juice center at Bandstand. Camps. Camps was like a major like a hangout over there. और तभी Bandra was very different. तो
Yeah.
there weren't so many joints over here. तो जो भी like ठेले वाले and then even in after we were both in different colleges in town. तो Oberoi Hotel के बाहर there used to be those carts on the road. They used to sell pani puri and bhel and all that. So I was like, that's what I used to. Not too many fine dine places that time, right?
Yeah.
And pocket money भी उतना ही मिलता था
Correct.
college में. So yeah, I don't know how she felt about it, but she seemed pretty. Eventually, she ended up marrying me. So
Well,
so I guess I must have done something right.
yes, please bring the food. I have actually starved him in already half of the conversation, so I'm going to make
Okay,
sure. he
this
eats
you are
something.
gonna eat.
This is the most cutest meal where man is like, मैं नहीं खा रहा हूँ, but I'll tell you everything about food. We have the sushi in front of us, and Imran thinks I'll eat them with chopsticks.
You have
so
to.
yeah.
That's a norm. You have to eat sushi.
Like
chopstick के साथ.
I'm definitely going to drop it. You know that.
वो ठीक है, मगर आप you're holding it properly. You're
Properly?
gonna, yeah, I guess a little higher
little
up.
Higher up. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this.
Yeah. You definitely. I didn't buy it in the beginning. जब आपने कहा कि आपने
No,
खाया नहीं
but I
ऐसा,
know I'll
लेकिन
spill it. I
okay,
know it.
that's fine. It's fine. Spill it.
And you want me to eat it
It's
on
fine.
the camera? And make
Okay.
a-
See, this is how you. This is how
Okay,
you
let's
do it.
do this.
So you hold it a little higher up.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like you hold a pencil,
Okay.
right?
Ek to I hold the pencil also wrong.
So do this. A little higher up so you can get a bit of a grip on it.
Okay.
Yeah. And then there you go.
Okay.
You don't have wasabi. Oh, you're a pro, yeah. You don't have wasabi and all with it?
I can skip for now.
No?
I
It,
can
it adds to the taste.
It tastes lovely, of course, but in the morning,
You
I
don't
think,
extra like
dude, my dinner dates and my
this
lunch dates are sorted.
this will clear up if you have a cold or anything. That's just gonna clear it up. The wasabi.
I'm being served
Go
food.
for it.
That's
Wait
enough.
here and of course some soy sauce.
Now
Now
I
this
don't
gets even more tricky when you have to kind of
dip.
dip it in it.
If I make a fool out of myself on
Okay,
this
yeah,
brunch
it's alright.
date,
So no
it's on
one's-
him.
No one's judging. No one's judging.
I'm anyhow. Okay, let's try.
Nice.
Yum.
Mm.
You have tricked me into this.
Is it hit you the wasabi? Yeah. Your eyes are watering. You want tissue?
You have tricked me into this. Now I see where this lover boy image and all the romance is coming from, huh? You know how to
Nice,
sweetly
nice,
woo the women out there.
nice.
Yeah.
Is it good? I've had the stuff here. It's nice. The sushi is pretty good. What about it?
Yeah. But since you were telling me about your thela wala cute dates with your wife,
Yes.
do you remember the first time when your first paycheck came, you took her out for like maybe this fancy thing dinner? Do you have any memory of that?
Actually, मुझे याद नहीं है कहाँ लेके गया था.
But maybe the
Somewhere
meal or
someplace in
something?
Bandra only. We used to party a lot in town. There used to be these places, 3 flights up, HQs.
HQ, I
yeah.
am aware of.
So I don't know which is the first place I must have taken her, which is the big copper chimney hua karta tha for Indian food. I used
Yes.
to take her out over there. Then China Garden in town. I think that place is still there.
It's still
which
there.
is at Cam's Corner. तो वहाँ हम लोग जाते थे. Very limited places were there. So whatever was open and ऐसा नहीं था because right now you're spoiled by choice.
Oh, yes.
अगर आप बैंड्रा में बाहर जाओ and even the whole thing of ordering online right now at home, which has become a big thing.
Yes.
There's so many things. Sometimes आप just menu scroll कर रहे हैं and you don't know what to order because there's so many options.
You're
out there.
confused
And it
by
was
the
not
end
there
of
in It was not there in the 90s. So many places.
Were you the kind of person कि बहुत सारा खाना order करा and if there are leftovers, would you take them home?
Yeah, that was the thing. To pack up the food. Yeah, that's
Food.
that. You know that again that your
Mentality.
families, your mom and your dad's voice rings in your ear कि कभी खाना waste मत
Waste मत
करना.
करना.
You know, at least give it off to someone.
Exactly.
तो भले ही अगर हम लोग बाहर नहीं वापस घर नहीं लेके जाया करते थे, we used to give it off to someone.
But I somehow feel that when you pack the food and take home and eat later in the night, it's more tasty.
You know what's great? Pizzas in the morning, cold
Oh,
pizzas.
yes.
And you know what's even better than that? Cold butter chicken. And yeah, in the morning, cold butter chicken, cold kali dal. Disgusting things I used to do, yeah. But that's something again I'm not eating for the longest time. But that with naan,
Cold butter chicken.
cold butter chicken.
This is new for me.
Yeah, cold butter. But I used to have that a lot because I used to do that. Those are my two favorite dishes: kali dal or butter chicken, and naan. Yeah, the maida, full of maida,
Full of
very
maida.
fattening. So have that naan, which you can't even, it becomes like rubber in the morning.
Oh, yes.
But cold naan with butter chicken and kali dal.
Not a recommendation I'm saying, but I will
Just
still
try
try.
it. Just try it.
I will
Try it.
definitely
You might like
try.
it. You might like it.
Never say no.
Yes,
But
never.
for me, the most thanda meal which tastes better next day has to be biryani.
Biryani. Oh, that's interesting. मैंने कभी
Always.
biryani ठंडा नहीं खाया.
Always.
Yeah?
Next day,
I'll try
biryani
that.
is divine.
I'll try that.
Try
That'll
that.
be interesting. I like both these two things: pizza, cold pizzas, and
Cold
cold butter
pizzas,
chicken.
so
Yeah.
are like
Yeah, yeah.
all the party
Yeah.
hangovers have
Yeah,
already
yeah.
been dealt with cold pizza.
You have your biryani with raita generally, or it's
Raita or
raita?
maybe salan.
Has to be with raita,
if anyone
no?
if anyone can do good mirchi ka salan.
Yeah,
nothing
that's
like it.
fantastic.
Oh, it's the
That's
best.
fantastic. Yeah.
We have a last dish, I think, on the table, and then I can still maybe convince Imam to have a bite.
What is that?
I just thought it's like
coconut and lime sandwich.
Oh, I've had this over here. That's,
Yeah.
It's,
I thought the only
Interesting.
last healthy thing I could. आप मुझे आज सब खिलाने वाले हैं
हाँ,
अब इसके
please,
लिए ये
please,
चॉपस्टिक्स यूज
please,
नहीं
please.
होंगी आई थिंक माय फोर्क इज ओनली गोइंग टू बी
I will just have probably one avocado,
One.
one bite. How's that? It's nice.
बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी हो गया मेरे लिए तो सुबह
yeah.
सुबह when you move from food to I want to move to your health because as an actor it's so relevant for you to look a certain part and with
Yeah.
every part you have to look a certain way also on screen. Maybe when you were doing romantic, that soft image. But then we have seen you doing some of those rugged characters.
Yeah.
And in your recent releases, we were buffing up.
Yeah.
How does the diet take a toll on you, or does it? Is it difficult for you to get into one?
You know, I'll be honest, मैंने कभी diet पे ध्यान नहीं दिया for the first couple of years of my career क्योंकि तभी there was not a thing. Like you didn't really know what's healthy for you, what's not. Now it's become a thing with people, you know, calories और वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा एक तरह से लोगों का there's also know-how about there's certain knowledge because of the internet. I don't think that was there in the beginning. I think when I started paying attention to it, जब मेरे डायरेक्टर ने पहली बार कहा कि I have to get into a certain physical form, which was no other director had told me that before that. और वो थे मिलन लूथरिया for Once Upon a Time Mumbai, जहाँ पे it had to be a toned down, you know, sharp. There was the shot और तभी वो चल पड़ा था with SRK's thing of six-pack abs, and that became a sticking point with the publicity of a lot of actors that everyone wanted six-pack abs, right? I don't know which film it was, Om Shanti Home और गाने में किया था, गाने में किया था, तो वो एक हो गया था, and everyone wanted to run, you know, jump on that bandwagon.
Did you?
I didn't want to, but it's just that my director told me that it's required. तो तभी मैंने पहली बार एक proper trainer को hire किया, फिर अपने diet पे मैंने ध्यान दिया, वो film हुई, फिर उसके बाद एक और फिर director मिले जिन्होंने कहा कि अभी तुमको मोटा होना है for Shanghai, which was fun. जब मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें I was just basically eating off like brownies and pizzas, which was great fun पूरे schedule में. फिर मेरे तीसरे डायरेक्टर ने कहा कि 6 महीने में आपको सब घटाना है Murder 2 के लिए, और I had to get back to the six packs, and that's when I realized I'm never going to put on that kind of weight for a film. It's tough. It's really very tough. और आपको उसके लिए वक्त चाहिए. Not that I wouldn't say I'll never do it, but उसके लिए टाइम चाहिए. अगर आप 6 महीने में या उससे कम, depending on the weight you've gained, इतना जल्दी घटाना है, you have to go into a major calorie deficit, which is not very healthy for your body.
So I can say that you were not the kind of person who was into fat diets. Like that was not the way for you.
Fat diets, I'm very consistent that way. I've become more consistent. अभी जब मैं diet follow कर रहा हूँ तो that's become very रोज वही चीज़ खाता हूँ, तो अगर आप consistent नहीं रह सकते हैं, then it just becomes like a fat diet. You do it for like, what do you think, in 15-20 days or a month you're going to lose it and that's going to be it? No. आपका एक long term goal होना चाहिए. There's no, you know, finishing line. आपको that becomes a way of your life.
We also have these myths, or I don't know if I should call them myths, or are they the practices of life? Fried, sugar, salt.
I don't have sugar at all. This has been a longest time I've not had sugar. हाँ, कभी कभार जब मैं बाहर जाता हूँ तो you know दोस्त लोग खा रहे हैं तो you know there's probably you know cake or some kind of dessert, आपने you dig into that, तो वो थोड़ा सा I think you can't go completely you know crazy and not
like eliminate something out of your life.
थोड़ा बहुत खा लेता हूँ, but in my staple diet there's no sugar. No sugar whatsoever, because sugar is a poison. Refined sugar is essentially a poison. और बहुत it's surprising कि लोग अभी भी you know it's there in so many things. आपको पता भी नहीं इतनी चीज़ों में है.
I think the most randomest packet of even a chips is equivalent to what
chips has it. Your sauces have it. तो आपको पता भी नहीं है कि अगर आप drizzle कर रहे हैं किसी चीज़ को एक सॉस के साथ, तो आपका sugar intake वहीं पे it stacks up, and slowly you go beyond your daily intake of sugar. So it's not advisable.
Before I move to this, the film side and the show side of it, tell me just one last thing. Are you a good cook?
No, I'm not. I'm not a cook. मैं एक चीज़ मैंने अभी सीखी है, which is my own kind of, I don't know if you can call it a recipe, but a concoction of, like, I couldn't cook eggs to save my life. I only could do fried eggs. अभी मैंने scrambled eggs सीखा है, and the reason I do it myself because I like my scrambled eggs soft. I can't have anyone else cook it because I don't trust them, क्योंकि वो जब वो ज़्यादा पकाते हैं ना और वो बहुत ड्राई हो जाता है, वो गले से नीचे नहीं जाता है. तो वो मेरा एक concoction हो गया है. But I made a special sauce I keep at home, which is again without sugar or anything. और मैं उसमें hummus mix करता हूँ scrambled egg में. So the hummus, scrambled egg, and the sauce gives that's my thing. That's my jam.
So I can say that you haven't cooked a meal yet for your wife ever?
I don't think she wants me to cook a meal for her, because she knows that it'll be a disaster and I'll just burn the place down, my house. For
so
that
much confidence you have.
Yeah, we'll have to keep a fire extinguisher ready in the kitchen when I'm cooking a meal. Yeah, maybe that's one essential thing, I'm sure. But I know that if I get down to it, if I get focused, I'll be a very good cook.
What would be the first thing then you will ever make to impress her?
Sushi. मैं
Nice.
definitely sushi सीखूंगा पहले. And of course pizzas. These are two things that I
That
love.
I figured out by
I
now.
love.
Don't tell me you're the pineapple and the pizza lover.
That is one of the things I used to actually love. The chicken and the pineapple and the pizza. What was it called? We call Hawaiian chicken pizza. Hawaiian chicken, right? Yeah, yeah.
That was
That
one
was a
crazy
thing.
stage.
Because I would think मुझे थोड़ा वो मिठास पसंद है अपने खानों
खाने
में.
में.
Yeah, खाने में वो थोड़ा सा होना
Not
चाहिए.
very spicy stuff for you.
Okay, not too spicy.
Imran, when you pick up roles over all these years, do you also channel a certain kind of I don't know if it's the right thing to ask, a yoga, a meditation, a certain kind of, therapy to bring your characters to life? Do you channel any of these practices?
I do meditate every day.
You do?
Yeah, I do. I meditate every day. मेरा जनरल रेजीम है कि मैं एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 10 मिनट करता हूँ अगर वक्त नहीं है, बट आई मेडिटेट, ट्राई टू मेडिटेट 20 मिनट्स एवरी डे. और कोई सेट टाइम नहीं है. इट्स नॉट लाइक गेट अप एंड स्टार्ट मेडिटेटिंग. भी सोने से पहले मैं करता हूँ.
And when you have, like, we know showtime is coming up.
जी.
And when you have characters which demand a lot from you, there is so much to express, so much to do, does it also help you center and play a certain role? Like, because for
Of
some
course,
people,
of course. I know कि मेरी performances, my mental game जब मैं perform करता हूँ, जब मैं meditate नहीं करता था, और meditation के बाद जब मैंने apply किया उस चीज़ को in my regime of acting, is this razor sharp focus. It just does something to the chemistry to your brain.
wow.
So that I've seen as a huge difference. और वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. It's all about concentration. Of course, emotions are one thing, लेकिन आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं एक सीन में. You have to make it interesting, you have to make it entertaining. देखिए, acting कोई आपको you can learn the skill set required for acting, like light किस तरह आपको लेना है, या mark पे चले जाइए, और different technicalities of it. But हर actor का अलग approach होता है scene का, and the way they say the dialogues. So I think that has a lot to do with your personality and आपकी जो एक the way you've seen films and the way you've seen life. But concentration का भी एक बहुत ही अलग वो, you have to be at your A game जब आप एक scene कर रहे हैं. You have to be all there. You can't be वो external performance हो जाती है. The lines seem empty.
Exactly.
You know.
And I think आपने हमेशा बोला, you're not the kind of method actor per se. That's not
I don't know what that means. What does that mean, method actor?
like people get into character and they're not able to leave it for God knows months, and they take them with home.
I probably have taken things home. कभी कभार मैंने किया है.
You have done some dark
और
things.
कभी कभी आपको पता भी नहीं है जब आप एक सीन कर रहे हैं where you've had a very stressful day on shoot, because जो character आप play कर रहे हैं, जो scenes है, they're highly emotional. Maybe there's a lot of rage in the scene.
Yeah.
मैं वापस घर पे लेके गया हूँ वो. I probably haven't been aware that I've done it, but later on when I reflect on that, I do take it back. क्योंकि अगर आप 12 घंटे सेट पे हैं और आप वो इमोशन पे आप completely immersed हैं, तो you're but human. You can switch off, obviously, when the camera shuts off. You're not yelling at people on the set.
Of course.
But suddenly आपके life में कुछ चीजें होंगी, या you will react in a more
reaction would
impulsive way अगर आपने वो play किया है. But I don't know, but taking that rage for like weeks after I've
No.
but you know, maybe there's some actors who've done it. Everyone's got their own process.
Is there a process Imran follows when he is begin to start a part? Maybe some people change perfumes, they change, they get
Change
into certain
perfumes.
shoots. Is it something you do?
I've heard that thing of changing colognes and stuff. But my basic thing is I treat any kind of film or any kind of material like a stage play. तो मुझे पहले तो बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप मुझे पहले दे दो, एटलीस्ट 15 days before the shoot starts. और मैं I've already I obviously discuss with the directors and see the graph, and we obviously have a certain jamming session of how they see the character, writer किस तरह देखते हैं, मेरे खुद के input. So certain clarity is there. फिर मैं सब कुछ सीखता हूँ, like from the first page to the last page, I know everything pit pat. So when I get on set, I'm completely prepped. वो lines second nature हो जाती हैं. You ask me on what page, what dialogue is there, I can tell you what dialogue there is and what the premise of the scene is. फिर सबसे ज़्यादा जो है, आप जब आप एक सेट पे आते हैं, अलग अलग लोगों की एनर्जीज होती हैं, या अलग एक्टर्स की हैं, और जब आप सेट पे काम कर रहे हैं, you have to be open to those kind of improvs and things. You can't be completely preset in your ways set पहुंचने से पहले. कभी-कभी आप सोचते हो कि मैं इस सीन में ये एक्शन करूंगा जब आप पढ़ रहे हो, लेकिन जब आप सेट पे आते हैं तो डायनामिक्स ऐसी नहीं है, तो आपको अडेप्ट करना पड़ता है. You can't be preset completely. So you preset a certain number of things and then you keep it open.
So can I say the actor Imran also holds a certain part of him to be the director Imran? Because there's so much precision in which you explain this to me.
I don't know. I don't think that I would ever direct a film. But maybe. I mean, again, never say never. मैं शायद उस क्रिएटिव नज़रिए से देखता भी हूँ. I see the story in totality and but technicality और shot taking and all वो कभी मैं सोचता नहीं हूँ. वो completely it's the director's job. But graph हो, character का graph हो, exactly what the film is trying to say, scene का subtext क्या है, वो जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because the dialogues could say one thing, लेकिन subtext हो सकता है, it could be something completely opposite to what the dialogues are. तो वो, but direction, it's a tough one. Living with a film, 2 साल scripting stage से लेके फिर editing, release, it's a huge commitment. I don't think as an actor I have that patience.
But when you do
hats
shows,
off to directors.
When you're doing a show like a Showtime where you have a long running series as well, you have to stay even far longer with the character.
Gee, of course.
Then,
but as an actor, right?
As an actor.
But now ask my director or in this show the directors. इनके लिए जहाँ इंसेप्शन ऑफ शो टाइम था वो शायद 2-3 साल पहले था. राइटर्स ने लिखा था, फिर इनका अडेप्टिंग इट इनटू हाउ दे वांट टू ट्रीट इट, फिर अभी तक चलता आ रहा है. उसके 1 साल बाद एडिटिंग चल रही है, उसको फाइन ट्यून करना, बैकग्राउंड स्कोर. मैंने तो जाके शूट करके मैं निकल गया, अभी प्रमोशंस पे आया after a year.
And I felt a little hurt that after 4 episodes I had to wait for the end.
I mean that's. But how do you like the?
Yes, I saw the first 4, and the other 4 are
that's
definitely in the
That's
laptop,
good.
and I don't want to see them yet.
Other
to give out
3,
spoilers.
other 3, right?
Other 3,
Yeah,
sorry.
other 3,
Yeah, other 3, and I'm like,
तो
एक बारी में, one go में, because it has to be a binge
अभी
watch.
आप फिर से देखिए. I'm there are people of course जिन्होंने 4 episodes देखे हैं. Now they'll see the after the recap. But कुछ नए subscribers आएंगे who will see the entire show in a run up, all the 7 episodes. So looking forward to that.
I think I got to know so much about you. I never thought I could ever. Thank you for opening up. Thank you for introducing me to some healthy diets which this Punjabi child someday might try. But butter chicken thanda, I promise
butter
you.
chicken you must try.
The day I will, I'm going to put up a picture, tag you and say that this is only Imran Hashmi's
and the sauce scrambled egg with hummus.
Oh yes, the recipe I'm stealing.
Yeah, the only thing I know how to make.
I'm allowed to share it to the world?
Please go ahead. Now तो अभी तो देख ही लेंगे.
Now I will tell to the world that this is the new recipe. Thank you, man.
Hi, this is Imran Hashmi and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.